The Law Tactical Gen 3M folding stock adapter gives your AR-style rifle the same folding capabilities found in firearms like the SCAR and Mini AK variants, making storage and transportation of your rifle more convenient. Made from 4140 steel with an ion bond finish, this stock adapter is built for hard use and a long life. The Gen 3M features some key improvements over the Gen 2 and 3, including a reduced profile steel design to avoid interfering with the charging handle, as well as a symmetrical bolt extension that requires no tools to install. It also removes easily for cleaning and maintenance. The Law Tactical folding stock adapter works with direct impingement or gas piston systems and fits any A2, carbine, mil-spec, or commercial buffer tube in stock. It can be used with standard bolt carrier groups including full auto, semi-auto, 5.56, and 308. The adapter allows the stock to swing a full 180 degrees, and the hinge tension is adjustable to help keep it in place while folded and ensure maximum rigidity while deployed. To start our installation, we'll visually and physically inspect the chamber, ensuring that the gun isn't loaded. Then remove the upper from the lower and set it aside. Remove the buffer tube and stock from your AR, and make sure you don't lose the takedown spring and detent when you remove these parts. Remove the buffer retainer and spring to install later. Before we can install the adapter on the lower, we need to remove the side plate cover from the hinge assembly by removing the screw from the cover using a 9/64 hex wrench. Make sure you're removing the correct screw and not the hinge bolt. With the screw out, we can remove the cover, button, and button spring from the assembly. Now we can fit the adapter on the rear of the receiver. While holding the hinge in place, take the flange and screw it into the receiver using the included flange tool. When the flange tool starts to bend, proper torque has been applied. Once tightly screwed to the receiver, you can tighten the set screw on the right side of the assembly with a 3/32 hex wrench to lock it in place. Now turn the gun over and reinstall the button, spring, and cover and screw into the adapter. Turn the rifle back right side up and insert the buffer retainer and spring into the stock side of the adapter. Next, install the buffer tube into the folding stock adapter. Then insert the buffer and buffer spring into the receiver extension. Take the upper and put it back onto the lower, depressing the takedown pins to lock it in place. Then use the charging handle while depressing the button to pull the bolt rearward so that it's protruding from the adapter. With the bolt carrier group exposed, we can insert the extension to the first shoulder. Once again, press the button and push the bolt all the way forward into the receiver. And with that, the job is done. Fold the stock closed and perform a function check to ensure everything's working properly. And remember, the rifle should not be fired with the stock in the folded position. This unique adapter is an easy way to make your AR more compact for storage and transportation. And like all products sold by Brownells, the Law Tactical Gen 3M folding stock adapter is backed by our 100% unconditional forever satisfaction guarantee.